Hello, this is Mr. Allison with How to Use Canvas Teacher Edition. And today I'm going to show you how to create a code so that your students can self-enroll into your ELT Canvas courses. So again, the first thing you're going to do is go to Settings. And then you're going to scroll all the way down so you can see where it says More Options. Go ahead and click on that. And then here at the top, you want to go ahead and check this box here where it says let students self-enroll by sharing with them a secret URL or code. And then you can also check the box where it says add a join this course link to the course homepage. Once you've done that, go ahead and update course details. And then scroll down, and then you see at the bottom, it's going to give you an URL. Again, you give this to the students and they can enroll into your Canvas course, or you could give them just the code. So either one will work. Again, that is how you create a code so that your students can self-enroll into the ELT Canvas courses.